Hi guys, today I've got a really quick and easy curling hack. Take a section of hair about an inch thick and pop your straighteners in front of it. Bring the hair up and around the top plate and back through the middle. Close your straighteners and slowly run them down the hair. Now we're going to alternate the curls, so take another section, but this time we're going to pop our straighteners behind it and we're going to bring the hair around the bottom plate, back through the middle, and close your straighteners and run them down the hair. Then just repeat this over the entire head. So let's have a look one more time. Pop your hair straighteners behind the hair section, take the hair down and around the bottom plate, close your straighteners and slowly glide it through the hair. And then to get the curl going the opposite direction, pop them in front of the hair, bring the hair up and over the top plate and back through the middle, close your straighteners and just glide it down the hair. And it really is that simple. If you just alternate your curls over the entire head, they won't all join together. So here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.